Hey guys, it's Chevy Sargent here, and today I'm out here with my fiance Brooke, and this is her 1974 Super Beetle. Today we're going to be cleaning up the paint, cleaning up the chrome, so we're going to be tag teaming this here. So to start out, we're going to set her up with a rotary style buffer and a wool pad, get the extra coarse cutting of the wool pad. We're going to be using McGuire's Ultimate Compound for all the steps of this process. It's a really budget friendly way to clean up the paint, but it's not going to get it to perfection, it's just to give it some more shine without breaking the bank. So once she's done with the rotary buffer, we're going to jump into a dual action buffer with a blue coarse pad followed by a yellow fine pad, all using the same compound. As for me, I'm going to start out cleaning up this headlight bezel because it's got some rust on it. I don't know if it's all going to come off, but a lot of it should come out with just basic old steel wool SOS pads. So I've got one of those soaking in water now. I'm going to tape off the paint around it just not to scratch the car, get this start cleaning up, and then I'll check her progress, see what's going on there. And let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so I lied. We're actually going to change plans a little bit. I'm going to have her clean up the rust. I'm going to do the first step with the rotary buffer, and then I'm going to throw her on the dual action buffer when I'm done with the rotary. So I'm going to get her set up on this. I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial as I'm setting her up. That way she's kind of learning. This will be the first time she's done this as well. So it's a good learning opportunity for her and you guys as the viewer. So to start out, what we're going to do, if I can find my tape, is we're going to go around and we're literally just going to tape off the paint around the area. So I'll have you do that. Go ahead and start taping off this area here. Tape off around the headlight. So she's going to tape off the paint there. And we got our steel wool. It's been soaking in water here. And it's the soapy kind. I'm not really a big fan of that stuff, but that's all right. It'll help keep everything nice and shiny, you want to call it. So this stuff I've used on chrome a lot. It's actually pretty good. It works pretty well. Just sometimes if you're ever working on a chrome thing for the first time, it's always a good idea to check an inconspicuous area to make sure it's not going to cause damage. I know this stuff is pretty decent quality chrome. It shouldn't hurt it any. So if it's got pitting and things, obviously that's not going to fix pitting. But something like that, maybe it'll bring a little bit of shine back to it, get some of that rust out of there, and make it look a little nicer anyway. If it doesn't get all so well, we can always replace it later. But for right now, we're just trying to get it looking as good as possible. So we're going to let her finish taping that up. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do once you got it all taped up, you're going to take your SOS pad, you can kind of wring it out. You don't need a lot of water, just a little bit. And you're really just going to go over there and you're just going to start scrubbing. And you'll see that rust to start to come out. It'll start turning rust color. And you already see, like right there, I'm wiping it off. Some of that pitting's not coming out, but just go around and scrub the area. So I want to pass this off to her, and she's going to work her way around this. I'm going to get set up with the rotary buffer and start buffing. So as you make progress, you just every now and then you dip it, start scrubbing, until you feel satisfied with it, and you'll see it start, all that rust will start coming off. So go all the way around until you're satisfied. Wiping what? Yeah, you can. Here, I'll get you a towel in a minute. So I'll give her a towel here, so when she's done, she can wipe that off. I'm going to get set up with this rotary buffer and start getting at it. So, full line of compounds, all you need. Start out nice and slow. Right around. So already, if you can tell, I'm sure you can on the camera, just this half compared to this half, just from that wool pad, already made a world of difference in the paint. Take a look at that. So already it's looking really good. So that compound combines that wool pad, really eats into it, and then once we go through the other steps, it'll really bring the shine out. Obviously, this is like a 90s or 2000s paint job, so it's got imperfections and things, but we're not too worried about that. We're just trying to get it good enough. So we'll go ahead and keep on buffing the car, and we'll cut back when we got some more progress and I skip to the next steps. So for now, we'll go ahead and take a look at the progress she's made on this headlight bucket here. So I'll show you guys kind of up close how that looks. So she's wiping that off now. So we got some water and stuff there still, but
I can get up there.
yeah, so you can see there's still some pitting things, but a lot of that rust came off. So that kind of needs wiped off, but a lot of that rust came out, so it already looks way better than it did. There's a little bit more work that can be done, but it's nothing crazy like around this edge. But already from afar, that looks way better. So I may have her try to clean up this one a little bit too, because it's got some oxidation stuff on it. And really you can do that to all the chrome and just really shine that stuff up, because even the spots that are shiny look shinier than the shiny spots on that one. Anyhow, so she's going to keep working at the chrome stuff. I'm going to go around and keep buffing the car, and then we'll switch out, and then she'll buff the rest of the car with the dual action. So I'll be back when we make some more progress. Alright, so we didn't really finish out the car with the yellow pad like or blue and yellow pad like we thought we were. The wool pad actually did really good and didn't really leave any swirl marks like we anticipated it would. There's still some like final touches and things we can do, but overall the car looks way better. I'll have the before and after in here as well. So the paint really shined up. Like I said, aside from a little bit of defects and things it has, but I mean, just for a little weekend warrior going to car shows and stuff, I think it came out really nice. And just a little bit of elbow grease. Didn't really take much at all. So we'll go ahead and do a walk around of the car, get your after video, and I will see you guys in the next one.